Hey, it's National Tune-Up Day, and we're back with some info to keep you on the road.
Yeah, getting a tune-up can be important for us all, but especially important for semi-owners.
A tune-up usually consists of checking the engine for parts that need cleaning, fixing, or replacing. Common areas under the inspection include, but are not limited to, filters, spark plugs, belts, hoses, fluids, rotors, and distributor caps.
You will know it is time for a tune-up when you see displayed warning lights, you experience loss in power, you notice a decrease in gas mileage, your engine stalls, or you hear knocking when accelerating.
It is suggested that you get basic service every 15,000 miles and thorough inspection after every 30,000 miles. Also, while you're there, check your tires. They should be rotated every 5,000 miles. A tune-up can take anywhere from 2 to 6 hours depending on the model of your truck and tier of the tune-up, so might as well check all of the boxes.
Depending on the season, the focus of your tune-up may change. Warm weather maintenance focuses on the air conditioning features, coolant, electrical system, and tire pressure, while your cold weather maintenance focuses on your windshields, braking system, fluids, and tire treads.
Semis typically last about 750,000 miles, which is usually 15 years if taken care of properly. Packer engines found in Kenworths and Peterbilts are known to last longer.
If you need any help with any of this information or you would like a quote, give us a call at 833-RING-MIG.
And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.